Alright, so in this video, I will show you how to explore FPS enhancements recommended by Epic Games. So if you find this video helpful in any way, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and even subscribe for more content like this. I hope these tips help as much as they did for me. Now let's get right into it. Let's start with the first recommendation: utilizing UPS scalers to improve FPS. If you're unfamiliar with upscaling, it's a technology that renders images at a lower resolution before upscaling them to native resolution, maintaining visual fidelity while consuming less memory, which should theoretically boost frame rates. However, it's important to note that enabling this feature requires DirectX 12 compatibility. Additionally, NVIDIA DLSS is only compatible with RTX 2000 series graphics cards or newer. Nevertheless, if your hardware doesn't meet these requirements, you may still be able to utilize the TSR option in-game. Moving on, adjusting the power mode for Windows PC can potentially affect performance. This can be done by searching for Edit Power Plan and accessing the advanced power settings. Here you'll find 3 preset options with varying configurations, while the default setting is typically balanced between performance and power saving. You can opt for high performance if desired. Some users have reported FPS improvements with this adjustment. Although individual results may vary, it's worth noting that Epic Games acknowledges that most PCs are set to a balanced mode, which strikes a compromise between performance and power saving. However, they suggest that adjusting these settings may enhance game performance. Next, we have the recommended to disable full screen optimization. To accomplish this, open the Epic Games launcher. Navigate to the library section and locate the game in question. Click on the 3 dots, proceed to the Manage button, then navigate to Installation. Click on the folder icon and delve into the Fortnite game folder, then into Binaries and Win64. Within this directory, search for Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping. Right-click on it, access its properties, and under the Compatibility tab, you'll find option to disable full screen optimization. Ensure to also adjust the high DPI settings accordingly. Applying these changes may result in slight FPS boost, albeit by an average of around 20 FPS. However, it's essential to note that this adjustment might slow down application switching. Moving forward, defragmenting your hard drive is mentioned. This can be done by searching for defrag in the search bar, leading you to the defragment and optimize drives window. However, Epic Games advises against this for solid-state drives, as it may diminish their lifespan. Thus, if your main drives are SSDs, it's recommended to refrain from this optimization. Another suggestion is to disable background programs to potentially enhance performance. This can be achieved by navigating to Windows Settings, accessing apps and reviewing installed apps. By clicking on the 3 dots next to each app, you can access advanced options and adjust background app permission. Disabling unnecessary apps from running in the background may contribute to FPS improvement. Additionally, uninstalling unused application and managing startup apps can further optimize system performance. Furthermore, regularly updating graphics driver is crucial for potential FPS boost and stability improvements. While links are provided for NVIDIA and AMD graphics card, some users prefer obtaining the latest driver through the NVIDIA app due to its detailed update descriptions. Ensuring proper cooling for your computer is emphasized to prevent performance issues related to overheating. Suggestions includes cleaning the PC regularly, ensuring adequate airflow, and checking for dust accumulations in fans. Reapplying thermal paste and optimizing in-game settings for lower graphical fidelity can also contribute to better FPS performance. Lastly, verifying game files through the Epic Games launcher and ensuring that your system meets Fortnite's minimum and recommended requirements are essential steps in troubleshooting lower frame rates. In conclusion, while Epic Games' official guide offers valuable insights, many optimizations may only provide marginal performance boost or may not be applicable to all systems. However, diligently following these recommendations can contribute to a smoother gaming experience.